Text-to-speech algorithms have made it possible to convert written text into spoken audio, making it easier to access information in a variety of ways. Whether it is a voice assistant on your smartphone or a text-to-speech browser, text-to-speech algorithms have become an indispensable tool in our daily lives. In this video, we'll explain what text-to-speech algorithms are, how they work, and will provide a simple real-life example to help you understand their functionality. So let's get started with what is text-to-speech algorithm. Basically, text-to-speech algorithm is a computer program that takes written text as input and convert it into a spoken audio output. It works by breaking down the text into individual words, syllables, and phonemes, or the smallest unit of sound in a language, and then synthesize them into the natural sounding speech output. The algorithm uses a combination of speech synthesis techniques such as concatenative synthesis, parametric synthesis, and statistical parametric synthesis to generate speech that sounds like a human voice. And these techniques use various models of the human voice such as vocoding to recreate the sound of speech. So overall, the text-to-speech algorithm is a powerful tool that enables computer to speak text aloud, making it a valuable resource for applications such as text-to-speech browsers, voice assistant, and speech-to-text transcriptions. So let's understand it better using a simple real-life example in action, which is of a voice assistant on your smartphone. So when you ask your phone to read a text message aloud, the text-to-speech algorithm takes the written text of the message and convert it into a spoken audio output. For instance, if your phone's voice assistant is Siri on an iPhone and you receive a text message, you can activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri, read my message." So Siri's text-to-speech algorithm will then take the written text of the message and convert it into a spoken voice, so you can listen it instead of reading it by yourself. Another example is using a text-to-speech application on your computer to read an article or document aloud. You can simply select the text you want to hear, and the text-to-speech algorithm will convert it into an audio file that you can listen to. And this is particularly useful for people with visual impairments or those who prefer listening to reading. So to use text-to-speech in Python on a Google Colab, you can use Google Text-to-Speech Library. Basically, Google Text-to-Speech Library is a Python wrapper for the Google Cloud Text-to-Speech API, which is a powerful TTS service. So when you want to run this code, first of all, you will have to install this Google Text-to-Speech Library. So in Google Colab, you can install it by using this command pip install. So next you can use the complete code to convert that text to speech and play the audio. So this code will first create a Google text to speech object with the input text and then save the audio to a mp3 file named text to speech.mp3. Finally, it will use a play command to play the audio on the Google Colab. So in case upplay, if you want to use this upplay, you can use that. Otherwise, here also you will get the voice of the text which you want to convert. Thank you.